Waking up at 3 a.m. every night isn't just a part of getting old. It's a cortisol reset. I tried a simple, zero-cost military method for 7 days, and for the first time in a decade, I slept through the night. Here's how you do it. For years, I believed it was normal. You hit a certain age, and your sleep just breaks. I'd be wide awake at 3 or 4 in the morning, my mind racing, unable to get back to sleep. I tried everything: melatonin, sleepy teas, cutting out caffeine, you name it. Nothing worked consistently. It felt like I was doomed to be tired forever. My doctor told me my cortisol levels were spiking in the middle of the night, a common stress response that jerks you awake. He suggested some pretty intense lifestyle changes. But then I stumbled upon something called the military method, and it was a complete game. It's not some weird, complicated hack. It's a series of simple, logical steps designed to calm your nervous system and signal to your body that it's time for deep, restorative sleep. The best part, it's completely free and takes just a few minutes before bed. For 7 straight nights, I followed this routine, and the results were unbelievable. I didn't just sleep longer, I slept deeper. I woke up feeling refreshed, not groggy. It was like I had turned back the clock on my own body. So, if you're tired of being tired, stick with me. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps I took, explain the science behind why it works, and show you how you can finally reclaim your sleep. Alright, let's break this down. The core idea is to systematically relax your body and mind, piece by piece. It sounds simple, but the key is the order and intention. This method was originally developed to help soldiers fall asleep in under 2 minutes, even in stressful, uncomfortable environments. If it works on a battlefield, it can definitely work in your quiet, cozy bedroom. Here's step 1. Get into your sleeping position. Lie on your back if you can, as it helps align your spine, but any comfortable position will do. Close your eyes and start with your face. This is where most of us hold a ton of tension without even realizing it. Consciously relax every single muscle in your face. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue fall away from the roof of your mouth. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Smooth out your forehead. Feel the tension just melt away. It might feel a bit strange at first, but stick with it. Imagine your face becoming heavy and soft. Step 2. Move down to your shoulders and arms. Drop your shoulders as low as they can go. Let them feel heavy, like they're sinking into the mattress. Release any tension you're holding in your neck and upper back. Then focus on one arm at a time. Let your upper arm go limp, then your forearm, your hand, and finally, your fingers. Picture all the stress and energy flowing out through your fingertips. Do the same with the other arm. Your arms should feel completely heavy and useless, just resting by your side. You're signaling to your brain that there's no need to be ready for action. Step 3 is all about your breathing and your chest. With your face and arms relaxed, bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to force it. Just observe it. As you exhale, focus on relaxing your chest. Feel your chest rise and fall naturally. With each exhale, let your chest sink a little deeper, releasing any tightness. Many of us hold anxiety in our chest, so this step is crucial for calming your heart rate and your nervous system. Imagine the air you're breathing out is carrying away all the day's worries. Just let it all go. Now, let's move down to the lower body. Step 4. Relax your legs. Start with your right thigh. Let it sink into the bed, feeling heavy and relaxed. Then move to your calf, your ankle, and your foot. Imagine your leg is a dead weight. Then, repeat the entire process with your left leg. Thigh, calf, ankle, foot. BTs point your entire body from your face down to your toes should feel completely relaxed and heavy. You've systematically shut down all the physical tension. Okay, this next part is the most important. Step 5. Clear your mind. Now that your body is relaxed, you need to stop your brain from racing. The method gives you 3 options. Pick one and stick with it for at least 10 seconds. Option 1. Picture yourself lying in a canoe on a calm, serene lake. There's nothing but a clear blue sky above you. Feel the gentle rocking of the boat. Hear the soft lapping of the water. Focus on this peaceful image. Don't let any other thoughts intrude. If they do, gently guide your focus back to the canoe on the lake. Option 2. Imagine you're nestled in a black velvet hammock in a completely pitch-black room. It's warm, safe, and comfortable. There are no distractions, just darkness and comfort. Really feel the sensation of being gently cradled in the hammock. Option 3 is for people who find visualization tricky. Simply repeat the words, "Don't think, don't think, don't think," to yourself over and over again for at least 10 seconds. This acts like a mantra to block out intrusive thoughts and prevent your mind from wandering onto your to-do list or your worries. So why does this work so well? It's all about the mind-body connection. When you're stressed, your body is in a state of fight or flight. Your cortisol levels are high, your muscles are tense, and your mind is on high alert. You can't just tell yourself to sleep. You have to show your body that it's safe to power down. By physically relaxing your muscles one by one, you send a powerful signal to your brain that the danger has passed. This helps to lower your cortisol and adrenaline levels. The deep, rhythmic breathing further activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's rest and digest mode. It slows your heart rate and prepares you for sleep. Then, by clearing your mind with a simple, non-stimulating image or phrase, you prevent the mental loops that keep so many of us awake. You're not trying to solve problems or relive your day. You're giving your mind a boring, repetitive task that allows it to drift off. The cortisol spike that wakes you up at 3 a.m. is often a delayed reaction to the stress you carried with you to bed. By using this method to fully de-stress before you fall asleep, you prevent that spike from happening in the first place. My personal experience was pretty incredible. The first night, it felt a little forced, a little silly. I got distracted a few times, but I stuck with it, and I fell asleep faster than usual. I still woke up once, but I went back to sleep easily. The second night was better. By the third night, I was out like a light. And on the fourth night, for the first time in what felt like forever, I slept a full 8 hours without waking up once. It was life-changing. I had more energy, my mood was better, and I was more focused at work. The key is consistency. You have to practice this every night for at least a week to really train your body and mind. It's like building a muscle. The more you do it, the easier and more effective it becomes. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't work perfectly on the first try. Your body has been stuck in a bad sleep pattern for a long time, so it needs a moment to learn a new way. So, let's do a quick recap. Lie down comfortably. Relax your face muscles completely. Drop your shoulders and relax your arms, letting them feel heavy. Focus on your breathing and relax your chest with each exhale. Relax your legs from your thighs down to your toes. Finally, clear your mind for at least 10 seconds by either picturing a calm scene like a canoe on a lake, imagining yourself in a black velvet hammock, or by repeating the phrase, "Don't think, don't think." This simple routine costs nothing, has no side effects, and is based on proven relaxation principles. It addresses both the physical tension and the mental chatter that are the root causes of so many sleep problems. If you've been struggling with waking up in the middle of the night, I urge you to give this method a real try. Commit to it for 1 week. You have absolutely nothing to lose, and potentially a whole lot of restful nights to gain. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps you as much as it helped me. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on living a healthier, more rested life. And please share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Sleep.